Hello guys, let us today see the short trick to find square root of a complex number. If suppose any complex number is given to us, how to find the root of a complex number? So there are some short tricks. We know if we are given z is equal to a plus ib, we call a as real part of the complex number and b as imaginary part of the complex number. In that case, root z is given by plus or minus because it is square root. There are two roots. So with plus sign we will get one root, with minus sign the other one. So we have two roots of a complex number which are square roots. Real part of the square root will be root of modulus of z plus a upon 2. Real part is the square root of modulus of z plus real part upon 2, and imaginary part is b upon mod b into under root of mod z minus a upon 2. We know b is the imaginary part. If b is negative, in that case this mod b will be positive. So the sign will retain. This is the thing under this. So if suppose we are given z as minus 2 plus 2 root 3i, then its modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square and root of that. Real part square is 4, imaginary part square is 4 3s are 12, and sum is 16. So square root becomes 4. Now the root of z will be given by plus or minus. Real part, this is mod z means 4 plus a is minus 2, and this particular sum we are dividing by 2. So 4 minus 2 upon 2. 2 by 2 is 1, root 1 I have written 1. Plus I times the imaginary part is 2 root 3 and divided by its own mod 2 root 3. So this will get cancelled and this particular will be 1 multiplied by root of modulus is 4 minus a. So a part is minus 2, so minus minus makes it plus 2 and divided by 2. So we got 6 by 2 means 3. So we are getting root 3 as the imaginary part. So the roots of z equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3i are plus or minus 1 plus I root 3. So these are the two roots. Let us see. So the roots we got are 1 plus I root 3, and another root is 1 minus I root 3. These are the two roots of this particular given complex number. Now let us practice one more so that this will be more clear to us. Let us find the square root of z equal to minus 2 root 3i. So here we observe value of a is minus 2. That of b is minus 2 root 3. And mod z will be root of minus 2 square is plus 4 and minus 2 root 3 its square is plus 12. So ultimately we are getting square root of 16, which is 4. Mod z is 4. Simultaneously what values we do need over there? So in one case we need mod z plus a. So we can say this is 4 minus 2, meaning 2 there. Then we have b upon mod b. So in the present case we are watching minus 2 root 3 upon its modulus. Modulus is the positive value, as we all know. So this is 2 root 3 only. And ultimate result is minus 1. So this just gives us minus sign. And one more thing. We need mod z minus a also. So mod z minus a makes it as 4 minus minus 2. So we will get it to be 6 there. So by the formula, we are having root z as plus minus square root of mod z plus a upon 2 this is under root, and then the imaginary part is I times b upon mod b times square root of mod z minus a upon 2. So let us calculate the value in the present case. In the present case, what we observe, this is equal to plus minus mod z plus a, already we have calculated, it is 2. So under root sign, I am having 2 by 2. Then plus I times this value already we have calculated, which is minus 1, which simply indicates the sign, and under root we are having 6 by 2. So the answer with us is plus or minus, and here we find 1 minus I root 3. 1 minus I root 3. So the square roots of this particular z are root z is equal to 1 minus I root 3, and the second one you find, second one is minus 1 plus I root 3. So this is the simplest trick to find out the square root. Bye.